Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be another quick tutorial because we will just initialize our convolutional neural network, and we know how to do this. It's exactly the same as initializing a classic artificial neural network. We are going to create an object of the sequential class, and we're going to call this object classifier because we are making a classifier that will classify some images to tell if each image is a picture of a dog or a cat. So we're doing nothing else than classification. All right, so classifier and then equals, and then that's where we use the sequential class, and let's not forget the parentheses, and that creates an object of this class. And that's done. That's all we need to do to initialize our CNN. So let's select this and execute, and now our convolutional neural network is initialized. So now we can move on to the exciting part, adding the different layers. And the first layer that we're going to add is the convolutional layer, and that's what we'll do in the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy deep learning!